Can avatars tell stories like we do?
Oh, yes. When styled right, they bring stories to life. Hey friends, welcome back to Learn with Emnet. In today's video, I'll show you an amazing AI tool that lets you generate images and animate them all in one place. And yes, you can even make your avatars interact, just like the short clip you just watched. Let's dive in.
First, open your Chrome browser and search for Whisk AI. Sign in with your Google account, then click Enter Tool. Now we are in. Type your prompt to generate an image. I will be using a simple one. Before hitting generate, don't forget to choose your aspect ratio. Let's wait for the image to render. And stick around till the end. Yeah, I'll show you another helpful AI tool. Okay, our image is ready. It looks really good, right? Make sure to download your images or videos before leaving the site, or you might lose access to them later. One thing I love about Whisk AI is that it lets you animate using your own prompts. So now, let's animate one of these images. Click Animate, then type a short prompt like talking and gesturing. Yeah, click Generate and wait a few seconds. Now our animated video is ready, let's download it. So this is where I created the avatars I'm using for this tutorial. Feel free to explore the site at your own pace. Yeah. Now that I have my animated avatars, I also generated voiceovers for lip sync. I've made a separate video showing how to create 2 voices using 11 labs. Check that out later. This time, I don't need Ulu AI or other animation tools. I will go straight to Dream Face to add lip sync to the character in pink, because Dream Face only works for a character at a time. So it will automatically lip sync the pink character since she's the one talking. So I will upload the video, my video, and the audio.
Can avatar story?
Now I will go to Kling AI to lip sync the character in the Ankara outfits. Yeah. Kling AI lets you choose which character to apply lip sync to. I uploaded the video and selected the right character, but it seems Kling is having some network issues. The video isn't loaded properly. That's why it's good to know multiple tools in case one doesn't work. So I switched to another site. Sync.so is on your screen. This is another AI tool you can use for your lip sync. At your convenience, you can explore it too. I uploaded the video, added the audio, and now it is applying the lip sync. Done. Okay, let's play it.
Can avatars tell stories like we do?
Oh, yes. When styled right, they bring stories to life.
It worked really well. Yeah, it synced the audio to the right character. That is, the character on Ankara outfits. Maybe because she was only one talking while the pink one stayed silent. Makes sense. I will go ahead and download the results. Now I bring all the clips into my editing app. I'm using Adobe Premiere, but you can use CapCut too. Yeah. The lip sync clip for the pink character came with 2 watermarks, one bold, one transparent. I have already removed them. If you'd like to know how I removed the transparent watermark, let me know in the comments. I've also made a full video on watermark remover. You can watch that later. I kept this tutorial simple and short. Okay, so now, remember I animated the image twice. In the first, the pink character is talking and the one in Ankara is listening. In the second, the Ankara character is talking and the pink one is nodding and gesturing. No cropping, no masking needed. Just place each video on your timeline properly and export. That is it. Now you know how to make your avatars interact using just AI tools. If you have any question or like me to make a video on something specific, drop it in the comments. Thank you and God bless you.